We're in Fuerte Amador, Panama today, which is a tender port. So we have to take the lifeboats into shore. And of course they don't call them tenders anymore, they call them water shuttles now. I don't know why, but we're going to be boarding ours in just a moment. So we're boarding the tenders. Had a little bit of a swell today. Of course that's our ship. So I'm trying to hold this as steady as possible, and of course it's a GoPro 7, so it's trying to steady itself, but we're experiencing a little swell. They said a meter. That's not a meter. Meter is approximately 3 feet, 39 inches. But there's the ship. And I think we're just going right over there. But that's Panama City.
Getting to know each other.
That bridge, if you go under it, you're headed to the Panama Canal. After 10 minutes of bobbing, tied up to the ship, we're finally taking off. Right up there.
When I saw people taking off, I thought
A lot of construction going on. They're building a jetty or something. Docked our little boat in Panama. And I think since we were on the top, we're going to get off first. And it's hot and steamy here. So we're getting off the tender today, the ship, in Fuerte Amador, Panama. Panama City being over there through those boats, 20 miles away. So we're probably not going to Panama City. Of course, yesterday we passed through the Panama Canal. But we are going to go up here, and we may ride one of these shuttles over to the Frank Gehry Biomuseum. So right here we got your Panama sign that we got out of line to take pictures of. We're in a not too long a line, but apparently it takes an hour to take a free shuttle to another mall. Our day in Panama. We're in line out there in the sun for half an hour for the free shuttle to a mall. And then somebody said, hey, you're supposed to line up under the cover here in the shade. And so we all did, after some discussion. Still have sweat dripping off my face. Looks like it's raining over there in Panama City. Doesn't it?
I don't think we're walking back. We're taking that
Yes. It's about to pass the
Frank Gehry
Biomuseum.
Yeah.
Right there. You can't see it. There it is. Pretty crazy looking. Ministry of Public Security. So, police maybe? Oops.
It's military.
Yes.
A lot of fence.
Thank you.
Oh, really?
Well, we got off the shuttle bus at the mall. We're going inside. Welcome to Panama. And it's a mall. with an elephant. Food court with McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken, Pizza Hut, Burger King, Popeyes, Wendy's. Of course, they have a big carousel. The mall goes off in a lot of different directions. They have a Tunana train that nobody's riding on. Second story. I suppose what we need is a map. The mall is huge, and I mean huge. It's multi-story. It goes off in every direction. We've been walking for 20 minutes and have not, repeated ourselves yet. But we walked all the way to the supermercado and the orca. Each part of the mall is an animal, and this one's the orca. So this is like the end of it at the other end. And we're going into a market. I think it's a market. Looks like a market. Chelates? See, on the I have no idea what that is. Stop signs. So there's a stop sign store. I imagine they sell something other than stop signs though. And there's a Multimax. But it goes off in every direction. Up and down. So we decided to take a cab for $5 each. Rather than wait any more in that line. We left the mall, it's right there. This is the airport. The Panama Canal is just past the airport there, the Pacific side, the end of it, or the beginning, depending on which way you're traveling. Still in the cab. There's a lot of traffic going back to the port. Oh, there's a crazy statue here. We're going on the Causeway de Amador, I guess. Fuente de las Americas. And we're getting treated to some sort of YouTube show. Starting to rain again. Not sure what this is exactly. An old church being restored or something. It's big. So we're gonna be back to the Bio Museum in just a moment.
Now, different churches have different the body of Christ. But in John 6, Jesus said 3 times, your fathers did eat manna in the wilderness and did. But I tell you, I'm the real bread that came down from
There it is.
heaven. Unless you eat my flesh,
Bio
you have no life
Museum.
in you. So the manna in the wilderness was a type of eating the body of Christ. There's no way of understanding this healing.
It's a long causeway
They had
out to where
already
the
performed the biopsy on his liver.
water shuttles are.
And not only was the cancer healed,
But we're
in the
almost
liver,
there.
the cancer cells died in the liver. But as the pathologist had the biopsy,
Still being
up in the
entertained
lab
by
looking at it,
that.
he testified that he watched the cancer cells
Smithsonian
that be sick with our
Institute
sicknesses and out, so we shouldn't have to bear
of
it.
Panama, I suppose.
And of course,
Punta
like
Culebra.
everything else, it only comes into manfiestation with faith.
I
in
think
what
they do
God says
studies
about it.
here.
When you put
Being on the beach, walk the beach, get the fresh fish. You buy your beers in the grocery store for 60 cents a piece at the expensive store.
Saying goodbye to Fuerte Amador, Panama. Of course, I'm riding with a bunch of my friends. So we're getting close to the ship now. We're back on the ship now. It's only like 3:30. Of course, we leave at 5, I think. I don't even know what on board was. But that's our day in Fuerte Amador, Panama. Of course, that's Panama City. Looks like it's pouring rain out there again, like it did earlier. So from Fuerte Amador, Panama.
Part my geese out.
See you in the next port. Bye.